Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today guys, may I cook some nice good food. May I cook steamed fish and pumpkin for with white rice. So guys, here is the fish, here is the pumpkin and some seasoning. I'm already on the rice, so I'm going to turn up the fire a little. I'm over this long time, so I'm going to put all of this in it. Yes guys, now I put everything in it, and then guys, I know I'm gonna pour a little water in it, allow it to cook before I add in the fish. And guys, I'm showing, I already set on the rice, so here is the rice. Yes guys, so when this is close, I am going to show you guys it. So guys, this is what I make it boil to. So now I'm going to put some season in it. I'm going to put the fish in it now as well. And guys, we already put some seasoning on the fish. So now I'm gonna put them inside of it. Just guys. Some snapper fish if you not ask. I remember exactly what they mean. Hey guys, the food is finished. I'm going to put my nice pumpkin. Look at cowgirl gravy thick. Look at. See rice here? Food shelly and nice. So guys, if you want some more video like this, type in the comment section. I don't know if you use up the comment section, because comment section a phone. Anyways, my nice good people, I just saw it done. So see you in the next video. Bye. Love you all.